In this video, we're going to show you how to do some drain cleaning. Let's get into this. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to our channel. We are the Plumbing Gurus and my name is Clayton. And on this channel, we're striving to save you money and keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. And like I said before, in this one, we're going to get into some drain cleaning, and I'm going to show you guys how to operate this drain cleaning machine and also how to do a drain clean on some drain pipes. Let's get into this video, guys. Let's do this. Alright, so here we got our drain cleaning machine. This guy's got 3/8 cable on it, and you'd be able to rent something like this at your local hardware store, or if you were to buy one and you're looking to figure out how to use it, it's actually really easy. These come with an air switch, and it's just like a kneel pad here, so like a foot pad, and then also comes with a forward and a reverse mode, and then it comes with a few different heads that you could use as well. Right now I have the auger head on, and so what you want to do is when you're doing your drain cleaning, you want to find a clean out, usually on the basement, so on the lower level floor, to go through. Now, if everything is backed up right to your like sink, in this case his sink is upstairs and it's starting to drain a little slow, but it's not backed up, then if it's not backed up, I would go from here in the basement and I would run my snake through. If it is backed up, you don't want to go through here, because when you open that clean out, this is all going to be full of water and you'll make a huge mess and everything will come back at you down here, and it's just not ideal. You'd probably want to go through the sink upstairs and auger that down right to your main. So I'm going to get set up here and we'll get going on this drain cleaning. Alright, so now we're set up nice and close to the drain. So what I'm going to do here is I'll just hand feed my snake into the drain here, and I've unscrewed my clean out. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of get it started just down the drain by hand here. And then I'll just grab my little foot pedal. Alright, so we had some technical issues with the audio and I couldn't take out the noise from the snake. So I'm going to do this one with a voiceover. So what I did now is I turned the machine to the forward position, and I used the air switch that I would operate with my knee, and I started the machine. And then what I do is I just pull maybe about a foot or so of slack out of the machine and gently put pressure down into the pipe, and I'm slowly allowing my auger on the end of my snake to clean the drain. Now this is very important. You don't want to just start feeding the snake through as fast as you can. You want to go nice and slow and nice and easy and let the snake do the work. So just apply a little bit of pressure to the snake, and you'll find that the snake will eventually just slowly work its way through the pipe. Another thing that's really important is the gloves that you use for this. You want to make sure that you use a glove that is a leather material. You don't want to use any kind of a rubber material for the glove. It can be very dangerous, because when that snake is spinning and you have rubber gloves, the rubber gloves will catch on the snake itself, and then it will twist your hand in there, and that cable will wrap around your hand, and it can be pretty painful. So make sure you have rubber gloves. Don't forget the drum itself is rotating, so keep any loose clothing or fabric away from that area of the drum, because if it does get caught in there, it can be very dangerous. Just some safety tips for you guys out there that are going to learn and use this kind of a machine. And also too, if you hit a spot where the snake starts binding, put it in reverse and pull your snake out. And try a different head, so try a more aggressive head to kind of go through whatever is stuck in that drain. Anyways, again, we apologize that we had to do the voiceover here, but hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
Hey, this is Brandon. This is my first time doing this, so I'm gonna give it a go.
Show you guys how easy it is. Is that right, Brandon? Yeah. Okay, so now once you're confident that you've unclogged the drain, what you want to do is you want to run a little bit of water down the drain and test to make sure that you do have the clog out of the drain. And if the water starts flowing back into the clean out, you know you haven't, back out of the clean out, you know you haven't got the clog, so you got to keep going with the snake. And then once you're confident that you have got the clog out, what I do is I run hot water down the drain and I'll pull my snake back. What that does is it also, not only does it help to kind of push everything through the drain and clear the drain even more, you pull it out and you got a nice clean snake from the hot water. Alright everyone, thanks a lot for watching our video. We hope you all enjoyed. Just another tip there, when you're pulling your snake back out of the drain back into the drum, it's nice to run hot water down the drain to kind of clean the snake off as you're bringing it in. Other than that, I hope that we're able to help you out on some of your drain issues that you're having if you're ever thinking about renting a snake and doing it yourself. Yeah, and I'd like to give a shout out to all the subscribers we have right now. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. It keeps us motivated to create more videos just like this one to keep you guys all informed on all the proper plumbing practices. And stay tuned because we're going to be doing a blooper here pretty soon, and that will be a lot of fun, probably in the next couple weeks. So hope you guys enjoy. You guys all take care. Bye.